Okay, let's try to the part of the spirograph which is attached to the main controller. This is the one that you will be attaching your pen and drawing to it. So this is a little cut we'll be doing. Alright, so let's assemble them. Let's go and do the part, the roller. Okay, so we're going to put the axle through. Alright, and we are going to use a bevel gear. Okay, this is the bevel gear that we're using. Let's attach it somewhere in the middle. Alright, in between. Let's slot it inside here. Okay, should be okay now. And then let's put the mechanism. Let's lock it in place. Okay, this is a pre-assembled parts that you can do. The frame is up to you, right? To do your frame to your size that you want to. Okay, so yep, we have completed this assembly here already. So next, what we're gonna do is stretch this a little bit here. Okay, all right, rotate it quite nicely. All right, so now we're just going to put the other top mechanism just nicely down. You need a small little gear, all right, to do it. So let's put it through at this corner here and put a small gear here. So this will be connected to the crank and slider mechanism. Hopefully it's able to work nicely. Let's put it over here. Okay, it's able to rotate just nicely. Okay, we have done this. And here will be the crank, right, for the whole mechanism. So if you put it here, alright, it's rotating fine. Well done. Alright, okay. Next, we want to do the other part for the crank and the slider. Alright, so now we're going to do the crank and the slider. Let's put it here. Okay. Oh, right. So this is the one that will be connected to the pen. So the other mechanism here is this. Okay, rotate it here and just lock it in place. Alright, so the crank and slider mechanism is almost completed. Okay, let's try this. Okay, look at the crank and slider. Done properly. It works perfectly well. Okay, so where will the pen go? This is a pre-assembled pen assembly. You can do on your own, any design. So what happened here is this will go in nicely down here. Okay, so the pen and slider mechanism actually rotate. Okay, so the pen will be rotating behind. Okay, completed the assignment for Neil. And what we do here, this will be connected to your motor, alright, controller. And this whereby we're going to attach to this point here, the axle. Alright, finish the spirograph.